You can now bridge from Avail to Base and LP into Avail's Aerodrome pools to earn substantial rewards, all under 1 minute. Want to learn how? Let's find out. Okay, so first things first, let's first go to the official bridge for Avail, which is at bridge.availproject.org. So as you might know, previously, bridging from Avail to Ethereum and from Ethereum to Avail was only possible. And now we've added the feature to allow you to not only bridge from Avail to Ethereum, but also to Base and vice versa. That is from Base to Avail as well. And before this, it was very hard to actually bridge your Avail tokens from Avail to Base because you would first have to bridge from Avail to Ethereum, which took about 2 hours, and then bridge from Ethereum to Base, which took around 15 minutes or so, right? And this is not great UX, and we wanted to fix that. And that is why we have our new update that allows you to bridge from Avail to Base directly in just under a minute. So how do we do that? First, let's connect our wallet. In this case, I have sub-wallet set up already with a Mainnet demo account. I've got almost 110 Avail, so 109.75 Avail with me. And I'm going to connect my wallet, which is going to be MetaMask, which has my Base account on it. And boom, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be sending 100 Avail to Base, to my wallet on Base. I'm going to review and confirm my transaction. As you can see here, when I click review, you can see there is a fee being taken, which is about 0.013 Avail. You can see the estimated time to be less than a minute, and the transaction type is auto, which means that you don't have to claim on the destination chain. The funds would directly just appear in your wallet, and there is no claim process required, right? And it also shows you how much your destination wallet is going to receive. So I'm sending 100 Avail. I'll get around 99.986 Avail back into my wallet, right? So I'm going to initiate my bridging process from Avail to Base, and I'll need to sign 2 transactions. So let me just first unlock my wallet there, and I'm going to approve my transaction. Then another pop-up will also come up where I'll have to sign a message. Boom, and I'll approve that as well. And as you can see, our transaction has been submitted on chain, and we're just awaiting confirmations on the Avail side of things, basically for that block to get finalized. And once that is done, we just have to wait for it to show up on the destination chain as well. All right, so our transaction has finalized on the Avail network, and now we're just waiting for our funds to be available on the Base network, and boom, it changed from pending to finalized, and now we can see that we have destination transaction, which I can open up, as well as I can check the source transaction, right? So on Avail, I've sent from my wallet 100 Avail, and on Base, I've received 99.99 Avail. And that means we've done it. That's great. Now, what we can also do is we can go to Aerodrome. And what do we do on Aerodrome? You can deposit your Avail tokens and LP it. Basically, you can LP your Avail tokens in order to earn insane APRs. I'll show you how to LP your Avail tokens on Aerodrome. So in order to get to this page, you first just basically log on to Aerodrome, connect your wallet, go to liquidity and search for Avail. When you do find it, you can click on new deposit. And then if you are already familiar with this layout, this must be a piece of cake for you. Basically what we're doing is we're going to be choosing a range where our liquidity is going to be used. In this case, I'm going to be using it in this price range of 33.36 and 40.74. I'm going to be using my Avail in this price range. I'm going to be putting in all of the 100 Avail that I probably got. So as you can see, I had already some Avail in this wallet on Base. So I'm going to be putting in around 100 Avail, and I will be also putting around 2.7 USDC, and I'm going to allow my Avail to be used on Aerodrome. I've allowed my Avail to be used on Aerodrome, and I'm going to allow my USDC as well. Once that is done, I'm going to hit deposit. So I'm going to deposit my Avail and USDC. Basically, I'm LPing my Avail and USDC, and I've deposited it. I have basically created my position on this, so I can now go onto my dashboard and see that I have basically LP'd into this USDC Avail pool, and I'm earning an APR on top of it. So that's all for the day. This is pretty cool. I was able to bridge from Avail to Base and then LP onto Aerodrome really quickly in a matter of maybe a minute. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you and have a nice day.